It's day 4. It's about midday and just ventured out. It's just taking a lazy morning in, and I've come across to Island Village. So I'm just going to have a little walk around, sit down. I bought a book to read. I probably won't even turn the second page. But hey. Entrance there with bathrooms, ladies and men. It's a side entrance. I've never come through that one before. I've always come through the bit that has Chaka Cove and where the cinema is. Nice little walk around area there. Afghan, duty free, and down. I don't know. I think there might be a cruise ship in today. I'll have a look. I won't be doing much talking, just showing you around. It's the Splash Park. And those Christmas dawns, these things will be all covered up in the black, gold and green. They have designated smoking area. Enough respect. Wow, go on. See, you can learn the language. So that's the entrance I normally come through, which is the one, the Chaka Cove check-in area, and to the right is where the cinema is. Photo desk, Takana, and just around the corner here you have the weed shop. So I'm on the, what do you call this, the first level or second level? There's food places down there, rib cage grill, other food joints. I've never been there before, but I'll probably walk around there and shop. Duty free shops, Margaritaville's trading post. Come on, I think probably a lot of men items here, and Jimmy Buffett's is up here as well. This is interesting. So Margaritaville, 10 till 3, ladies' night. They even have a shuttle service from various hotels that you might stay at. No, not today. Thank you. In Fontana, just having a general look around, trying not to catch people in the video. Been here before. It's a sort of general store with all sorts of things, electrical party, all your homewares. I probably equate it to the Range or Wilco, which is no longer, but lots of little things here. Oh, these cute little cups. There's a little spoon in there. They're pretty cute. Prices are underneath. Be careful lifting these things up. I don't want them to drop from me. I certainly don't want to be paying no price under that one. Nope. So there was no price under it. I think there was something under this one. It's kind of all torn, so it's still not easy to see. But they're cute little teacups. But as I said, things that you would have got in the range in England, probably Target in the US. What I actually came in here to do was to look for a game called Tupper Tops. There's a face pack which we are locating, and there's the extra packs called like booster packs, and you can get them per nation, country. So I promised to come in here and have a look. So that's why I'm strolling around here. It says home for the holidays. I'm home for part of the holidays. That's $7.99, 800 Jamaican plus tax. This is the one thing I hate, the plus tax on the end of everything. Just put down the one price, no? Jeez, one price, tax on it, and you're done. Everything you have to put add tax on it, and if you're not used to it, it's hard going. Right, so going up the stairs to the toy section of Fontana's to have a look for that game. I bet you've come up here for nothing. Hey. It's Pear? Butter Pear. Oh my gosh, it's literally like butter. Got it with a piece of bread here. It's oh, it's so nice. It's like the pear that I've had come from St. Mary Pear. Jeez. If pear is nice. God, put on a few pounds right up before Christmas as well. But hey, you pay money for come to Jamaica. I have to enjoy it. Sorry, that's a very Caribbean thing. They use a knife. The knife is so versatile. Use like a fork, and if they could, they'd use it like a spoon. But shouldn't put the knife in my mouth. That looked bad. Pear is so nice. Just look at that. Look at it. It's nice. So mustn't eat anymore. Right, get changed and off to the beach. Yeah, so on the beach, I was going to go in the pool first, and then I changed my mind. So I came down to the beach. So I'm sitting here under the almond tree. Let me turn around so you can see where the ship is. I stay near to the lifeguard. Right, that's where that ship is Carnival Sunrise. And I came this side because over the other side was just too much seaweeds in there. And when I was snorkeling, I saw a sea urchin just below my foot, and I thought, oh my god, if I ever stood on that. So yeah. I'm cool. So recently in KFC. So I got my order. Waiting for my I am 260 and they're on 240 at the moment. So I'll probably be here half the night waiting for it. It's a bit of a overcast day earlier on, but I think it's getting a bit brighter now. Lots of clouds. I might go down into the pool later. I think I'll ring housekeeping actually, because gets don't really need cleaning done, but the change of sheets and towels and things. All right, soon come. So there you go, the pata peas are bubble. I didn't get any beef because it's going to take too long to cook, so it's got some chicken pieces in there, garlic, some scallion in there and things like that, and it's bubbling away. Jamaica peas, it don't take too long to cook, so that's that. And just cut up some food there, some veggies, and roll up some cornmeal flour. So that's all ready to go.